It's a big world out there, and today is the day to see the sun in a new light, to live the life you've always wanted. And here, you are welcome to wander and grow. There's no right or wrong blueprint for your next adventure. There's no measurement to the memories you create upon the ocean shores, among the mountain ridges, across the plains. Because today is where you find freedom. Freedom to travel safely and on your time, with more comfort and a strong foundation. Freedom to transform your lifestyle through convenience and sustainability. Freedom to connect with nature, with one another, with yourself. So make luxurious living out of landscapes. Carry home in your heart. Be together as together was meant to be on the road. We believe a better tomorrow begins today with Cruiser RV. Great American Trailers.